Hello there. Today I would like to show you the difference between American and Vietnamese catfish cleaning style. Now, up first, I'm going to show you how the American clean the catfish. What we have here is the blue catfish. We're going to fillet him like the American style. So we started by the back strap and behind the backbone, put the knife in and just slide down. Beside this way, there's a few other way. Like I seen people fillet it on a tree. They nail the catfish head onto a tree and they skin them with a plier and fillet them with a knife after. This one is we fillet and we tear the skin off. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Go next to the back strap, go down and go just run that knife along the bone down, and we don't want to go all the way out. We just want to stop right there, flip it and get the knife under and go down and right just above the skin. Make the knife parallel and just pull the skin back and let the knife do the rest. And now we're gonna cut the belly. The belly is the good part, is the fat part. If you're gonna deep fry it, you want this piece right here. This is the delicacy. I like to use a smaller knife, like a hunting knife or something, to go along with here, just so that I don't poke through the fish and poke my hand, because I do have to stick the knife in there. Sometimes the fillet knife is just too pointy and too sharp. It cut open up the gut and who know what's coming out of the belly. Some people also cut out the middle section of the fillet. Is like the bone, where the blood is, the blood vein is. People don't like that. For me, it doesn't matter. I couldn't really tell the difference. Now here's the belly. We're gonna remove the bottom skin, and we're gonna remove the other side same way. Just hold down the skin and just let the knife do the work. And we're gonna go back, cut down to halfway, and remove the inside belly skin. You don't have to remove the whole thing. It's not dirty as the outside. The outside is very dirty. You want to take that away, but the inside is okay. You don't have to necessarily remove it. This right here is another fish that I clean. It's also a blue catfish. I'm gonna show you how to hold the skin down with a forks, because sometimes you don't have that long cutting board, so you have a short one, so you can just only fillet it like this. You cannot flip it out as a long fish, because it would be too long for your cutting board. So you can use forks to hold down one side of the skin and just pull it through. And now this one I'm going to show you is a little bit different. You can fillet one side like that, go halfway down and go run on the skin, and with that little you're going to make a handle out of it. You cut a little hole through it and you just put your finger through it, and that will be like an anchor, so you can pull the skin while you've run that knife parallel. See, it's still intact. By the way, I am really sorry about the background music. I always have this kind of music on in my workshop. This is my workshop where I get my car fixed and um, do woodwork and metal work, welding, fix my boat, fix my everything in this 40 by 30 shop. So it's just the music that is always on. All right, everyone. This is the Vietnamese fish cleaning style. First, you soak the fish in hot water mixed with vinegar. You let it about 15 to 30 minutes so that the vinegar and the warm water will soak into the skin. And you see right here all this gooey stuff on the outside of the fish. You don't want that. You want to take that off. First, I am going to remove all the fin, the tail, and we're gonna cut the gut open, remove all the intestine, and remove the gill in the head. And now we're gonna brush it with a metal brusher and just going along the side of the fish. Get it. You don't have to do completely white. Just get the gooey stuff on the outside is the most important. Even the belly. Oh, and I forgot to cut one fin, the last fin. So we're gonna do that. Get back to work and start scrubbing, and scrub the belly pretty good. The belly is kind of difficult. You want to make sure you scrub it because you couldn't really tell if you really get anything off. It looked the same to me. And now we're gonna cut down the middle of the fish on the belly and just pulling the gut and everything out of it. Now that the fish is completely clean, we're gonna start chopping. We're gonna chop the very front part off is the like the teeth part. We don't want that. We're just gonna chop it off and throw it away. But the head, we do want to keep it. So we're gonna cut the head into like 4 pieces so we can cook soup out of it. Sometimes it can get difficult to cut through this bone. Maybe I don't have the best knife, but if it's difficult, I just use a rubber hammer or a 2x4 or something else just to hit it down instead of using my other hand. I don't want to hurt myself because there's a lot of fish to clean. I have about 25 fish here to clean. That's way too much.